Morning students, and in this video we will be discussing exercise 9b, and we have previously discussed the chapter percentage, and I suppose you have gone through the examples that I have told you on Saturday, that please children go through the examples. They are very important. And before going on into the exercise, so I will try to do a small revision with you of the percentage so that you are able to do it and you don't feel any difficulty while doing these word problems that you have. So children, percentage was earlier that we have discussed is percent is a short form of the Latin percentum, that meant ki by the 100. And in that video we have discussed how to convert a fraction into a percentage, how to convert a percentage into a decimal. So to convert a fraction into a percentage, what we were doing, suppose we had a fraction of 5 upon 3, we were simply multiplying it with 100 and we were getting our answer, and that the answer came in percentage. If the answer was in percentage already, suppose you had 57%, and if you multiply it with 100, if you divide it with 100, then you will get the answer in decimal. So this will be 0.57, and there was some the express example 4 we had, that said express 19 as a percentage of 25. So what we took 19 in the numerator, 25 in the denominator, multiplied by 100. We had these kind of questions, and there was a very important question, children, that is the increase and decrease, children. And in increase and decrease we had, for example, page 172, question number 9, part 1, you had 6 kg by 8%. So 6 kg is how much? 6000 gram. So first we need to find the 8% of 6 kg. So what will it be? 6000 into 8 divided by 100. What we are doing, we are converting this whole number into the percentage by multiplying. So it came out to be 6 t into 8, 480 grams plus 6000 grams. So answer will come out to be 6480 grams, or 6.48 kgs. And in the decreased part we had decrease 20 rupees by 10%. So first we find 10% of 20 rupees. How? You take 10%, 10 upon 100 into 20. So this will be 2. So 20 minus 2 will be equal to 18. So this was increase and decrease, and we have discussed this. Now today we will be doing the exercise 9b, and I will try my best so that you can understand this exercise. Okay children, so question number 1 that you have here is, a school library has 600 books, out of which 540 books are fiction. What percent of the books are fiction? So school has total 600 books, 540 are fiction, and we need to find a percentage of the books which are fiction. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide 540 divided by 600, and to convert this fraction into a percentage we simply multiply it with 100. So the answer will come out to be 90%, children. So 90% books are fiction in the school library. Now you have question number 2, and the question number 2 says there are 24 girls in a class of 40 children. So how many girls are there? 24. Total strength of class, total, you have 40. So you need to find the percentage that are girls. Simply 24 divided by 40 into 100. So you will get 60%. Question 3, children. You have Nikhil bought 5400 books in a month and sold 4050 books. So total books he bought 5400, sold 4050. So what percent of books he could not sell? So first we will find out how many books he was not able to sell. So it will be total books minus sold number of books. So 5400 minus 4050. Okay, so on subtraction, let's subtract. What will you get? Please do it while you are watching the video. I am also doing it. Okay, so it will be 1350. So simply 1350 is the number of books that he was not able to sell. Total number of books 5400 into 100. So what we did, these are the number of books that he was not able to sell, and this is the total number of books. So now we solve, and we simplify this 1350 upon 54, and on solving you will get the answer as 25%. You can divide 1350 by 54, or you can simplify like this: 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14, 3 9 are 27, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15, 9 2 are 18, 9 5 are 45. 25% is your answer. So your answers are: first one 90%, second one 60, and the last one 25%. Okay, now question number 4. An author receives royalty at 7.5% of the selling price of the first 5,000 books. So 5,000 books are sold. He receives a royalty of 7.5%. Okay. Now, first 5,000 books. 10% of the selling books on the next 5,000. Okay. So next 5,000. Now this time he is getting 10% royalty. Okay. 12.5% of the selling price on the rest of the sales. Okay. So after 5,000, the books that are sold, the next books which are sold, he will get a royalty of 12.5% of the selling price on the rest of the sales. How much will he receive if 15,000 copies are sold at rupees 80 each? So total copies sold is 15,000. Okay, so for 5,000 he is getting 7.5% royalty. The next 5,000 he is getting 12.5% royalty, and the last 5,000, not 12.5 children, 10%. And for the last 5,000 he is getting 12.5% royalty. Okay, and the price of each book is 80 rupees. So each copy has a price of 80 rupees. Okay, so what we are going to do here, children, is first the total amount earned by the first 5,000 copies sold. Okay, so what we are going to do, 5,000 into 80. This is the first 5,000. So what we are going to write, 5 8s are 40, 4, and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4. So this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 4 lakh rupees for the first 5,000, and he is getting 7.5% of the selling price. So 80 rupees was the selling price, huh? So for 5,000 copies sold, 5,000 into 80, 4 lakh rupees are received. So we are going to find the 7.5% of this 4 lakh rupees. So 4 into, now we need to find the percentage of this amount. So what will we do? 7.5. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15. So 15 upon 2, and we divide this by 100. So 0 0 cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So 15 2s are 30. Okay, so 7.5% of the first 5,000 is 13,000 rupees. Okay, now so 30,000 rupees for the first slot of 5,000 rupees. Now moving on, second slot that he sold, again 5,000 rupees, 5,000 copies at 80 rupees each. So but this time he is getting a royalty of 10%. So the total amount earned would be the same, 4 lakh rupees only, but this time he is getting 10% of this. So this will be ones, tens, 100,000, 40,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 40,000 rupees. So in the second slot he got 40,000 rupees. Now in the third slot, same this amount, but this time he is getting 12.5% royalty. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 into 12 25 by 2 into 100. 0 0 cancelled. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 3. So 25 2s are 50. 1 2 3, 3 zeros left. So for the first slot, for the first batch he got 30,000. For the next batch he got 40,000, and for the last batch he got a royalty of 12.5%. So this is 50,000. So we will add these three, 30,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000. So this will come out to be 1,20,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10 lakh. So 1,20,000 rupees he will earn. He will receive the royalty from his book. Now, question number 5, children. A Maruti car costing 2.5 lakh rupees, 2,50,000 rupees, dropped 23% in value of the first year. How much was it worth at the end of the year? So, a Maruti car cost 2,50,000 rupees and its value decreased by 23%. in the first year. How much was it worth at the end of the year? So this 2.5 lakh rupees decreased by 23%, the value of the car. So first we need to find 23% of this amount. So 2,50,000 into 23 upon 100. So this will be 2500 into 23. So you can do the multiplication with me. I'm also doing. So this will come out to be 57500. Okay. 57,500 rupees is the 23% of 2,50,000 rupees. So what is the, how much is it worth at the end of the year? So at the starting of the year it was 2,50,000, and by the end of the year its value decreased by this much amount, 23%. So minus 57,500. You will do the subtraction and you will get the answer. It will come out to be 1,92,500 rupees. This will be your answer, children. 1,92,500 rupees. Continuing. Question number 6. A 4-meter elastic band is increased by 10%. Find its new length. So a 4-meter elastic band, 4 meter, its length is increased by 10%. Find its new length. So 4 meter is 400 centimeters. Okay, 400 centimeters. So into 10 upon 100. So its length increased by 40 centimeters. So 400 plus 40, this will be 440 centimeters, or if you divide it by 100, then it will be 4.4 meters. This is your answer, children. Now, question 7. The cost of a shirt is decreased by 12.5% during sale. What is the new cost if its cost was 1,500 rupees? So, what is the new cost? Its original cost was 1,500 rupees, and this decreased by 12.5% during sale. What is the new cost? So 1,500 into 25 upon 2 into 100. So first we find out the 12.5% decrease in the value of the shirt. So 0 cancelled. So this will be 15 into 25 upon 2, multiply. Okay, so 375 upon 2. On dividing you will get okay, so 187.5 rupees the value decreased. So 1,500 minus 187.5 and you will get your answer. So on subtraction you will get 1,312 rupees 0.50 paisa. So this is the new value of the shirt. Now question number 8. A library contains 800 reference books. New books are brought and the percentage increase in the number of books is 30%. How many books are there in the library now? So the question says, children, there are 800 books in the library. 800 books. Question 8. Books in library. Okay. And some new books are brought and it increases the number of books by 30%. So how many books are there? So earlier it was 800, now they increase by 30%. So first find out the 30% of 800. So 800 into 30 upon 100. Okay. So 240. So 240 is the number of books that increased. So original was 800 plus 240. So this will be 1040 books. Simple. 800 books was there in the library. They increased by 30%. Find the 30% of 800 and just add it to the original number of books there was, which were there in the library. Okay. Now, question number 9. The price of an egg increased from 4 to 5 rupees. What is the percentage increase? So 4 rupee to 5 rupee. What is the percentage increase? This question, earlier the price of egg was 4 rupees. Now it is 5 rupees. So what is the change in price? 5 minus 4, 1 rupee. Okay, so the price of an egg increased by 1 rupees and we need to find the percentage increase. So the increase in price is 1 rupees. The original price was 4 rupees. So 1 upon 4 is the change in price multiplied by 100. This will be converted into percentage. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 25%. So the percentage increase in the price of the egg is by 25%. Now, question number 10. An article was marked rupees 150. Ali wants to purchase it for 138 rupees. How many percent discount did Ali ask for? So, price of article is 150. But Ali wants to buy it for 138 rupees. Okay. How many percent discount did Ali ask? So first we need to find the change in price. So 150 minus 138. So this will be 12. So 12 rupees is the change in price. So we need to find a percentage decrease in the price. So what we are going to do, 12 upon the original price, 150 into 100. Simple. 3 4s are 3 5s are 5 2s are 10, 8%. So the price of the discount that was asked by Ali is of 8%. This is your answer. Now, question number 11. Chalk contains 40% calcium. Okay. 12% carbon and rest oxygen. What is the amount of oxygen in 8 kg of chalk? Rest, you have oxygen. Okay, what is the amount of oxygen in 8 kg of chalk? So 40% is calcium, 12% is carbon, X percent is your oxygen, and they all add up to 100% of chalk. So we can find the percentage of oxygen in chalk. How? 40 plus 12 plus X equals to 100. So X will be equals to 100 minus 40 minus 12. So X equals to 100 minus 52. So this will be 48%. So chalk contains 48% of oxygen. Okay, so we have 8 kg of chalk. So 8,000 grams. First we find out the 48% of 8,000. So 48 upon 100. Okay, so 48 into 80. Do the multiplication. So 3840, okay, grams. So if we divide it by 1000, then it will be 3.84 kg. So in 8 kg of chalk, you have 3.84 kg of oxygen, children. Okay, what did we do here? 40% calcium, 12% carbon, X% oxygen. And on adding all these, we know we will get 100% of chalk. So 40 plus 12 plus X equals to 100. So X equals to 100 minus 40 minus 12, you get 48%. You find out the 48% of 8,000 grams, you get 3840. This is your answer, children. Very simple. Just do some practice and you will be able to solve all of these questions. Yes, question number 12. There are 160 apples in a box. 15 of the percent of the apples got spoiled in them. How many good apples are there? So 160 apples in box and 15% are spoiled. Okay. How many good apples are there? So find out the 15% of 160. So 160 into 15 upon 100. 24%. Okay. 20, not 24%, but 24 apples got spoiled from 160. So how many good are left? 160 are the total number, 24 are the bad apples or the spoiled apples, and on subtracting you will get 136 apples which are still good and they are very good to eat. Okay, next question, children. Question 13. A man spent 25% of his money on food, 55% on rent and transportation, and the remaining 9,000 he saved. How much money did he have? Find the amount of money spent on rent and transportation. So a man spent 25% of his money on food, 55% rent, and the remaining 9,000 rupees he has left after spending 25% on food, 55% on rent, and he has 9,000 rupees left. He saved. So 25% food, 55% rent and transport. So how much percent did he save? X% saved. So 25 plus 55 plus X equals to 100%. So X equals to 100 minus 25 minus 55. 25 plus 55 plus X equals to 100. So X equals to 100 minus 80. So X equals to 20%. So the man saved 20% of his salary, that is 9,000 rupees. So we need to find out how much money did he have. He saved 20% of salary, which is 9,000 rupees. So we have previously discussed that 20% of his salary let his salary be called y. Okay, salary. Okay, so y into 20% salary, or you don't need to call it y, salary multiplied by 20% of the salary equals to 9,000. So salary will is equal to 9. Oh, this calculation, I'm sorry. Okay, 9,000 into 100 upon 220. So 2, this cancelled, 2 5s are 10. So on multiplying you will get 45,000. So 45,000 is the salary of the man. Find the amount of money spent on rent and transportation. So 55% of his salary is spent on rent and transportation. So 45,000 into 55 upon 100. So the answer will come out to be 24,750 rupees. So he spent most of his money on rent and transportation, that is 55%, and 55% of his salary is 24,750 rupees. Okay. Next question, children. Question number 14. In an examination, there were 640 boys and 360 girls. 60% of the boys and 80% of the girls were successful. How many in all failed? Okay, so 640 boys and 360 girls, and 60% and 80% of the boys passed, successful. How many failed? So 640 into 60% upon 100. 60% of the boys passed. So 6 4s are 24. 384 boys passed. Okay. And how many girls? 360 into 80 upon 100. 36 into 8. 288. So 288 girls passed, 384 boys passed. Okay, now the question is how many in all failed? So total are there. How many total number of girls are there? Boys, girls and boys 640 plus 360. Okay. 1000 total. How many passed? 384 plus 288. 672 passed. How many failed? 1000 minus 672, and your answer will be 328 students failed. Find the 60% of boys, 80% of girls, add them, they are totally passed. Subtract from 1000, you will get the failed number of students. Okay. Question number 15. A batsman scored 140 runs, which included two boundaries. So 4 into 2, 8 runs from boundaries. 8 runs, and 8 sixes. So 8 into 6 will be 48. So 48 runs from sixes. What percent of his total score he make by running between the wickets? So 48 plus 8 will be 56, and 140 minus 56 is total number of runs scored minus total number of runs scored by hitting boundaries and sixes. So you will get 140 minus 56 will be 84. So 84 runs he scored by running between the wickets. So 84 upon total score into 100, you will get 60% of his runs are scored by running between the wickets. Okay, thank you class, thank you for being so patient. If you are not able to understand any question, you can leave them in the comment section, and I would also like to know about the feedback or this new format of the background, this light format and this black color. Is this more comfortable to watch? Is this more better, or the older one? How did the older one look like? Older one looked like this. If you guys remember, it used to look like this. This was the older format, and this is the new format which I'm thinking of continuing. So do let me know which one is better, the black one or this light color one. Thank you class, thank you for being so patient. Do let me know in the comment section.